The mantra is essential for this Kesari Yoga. Mantra is an energy formula formulated by yogis as well as siddhas. These mantras have an elevating effect. Normally, the Panchashara Namasivaya is explained in the Vedas, but the siddhas prefer more forms of this Panchashara. The Panchashara Namasivaya is adjusted and it is told as Sivaya Nama, Sivaya Siva, Siva Siva, etc. But in this, the Tirumular recommends to cite the mantra Sivaya Nama for Kesari yogis. In this, Si means Siva, Va means Parasakti, Ya means Atman, Na means the veiling power, and Ma means Maya. So, this is also essentially he says in verse 809, upward 12 tongues interior through which nectar flows, and drinking nectar welling up and remain, chanting Sivaya Nama. The waters the breath brings stream as under Ganga flow, land this way to the flow of the heavenly nectar. So, the mantra japa is also needed. For before practicing this mantra, one can get mantra diksha from a guru, and it will be more powerful. And this mantra should not be divulged to any other person. In a secret manner, it should be chanted, and it will be more powerful. So next, Uddiyana Bandha one should practice in Kesari Yoga. He is telling it in verse 818. The translation is, as prana stand in mystic moon's region, practice Uddiyana Bandha and dam the coals of downward apana. Then in dazzling brightness of sun, the Lord with the kundala in his ear to be, stands transfixed in their awareness, his dance having ceased to stop. When this Uddiyana Bandha is practiced, it will help the prana and apana to meet in the navel area. Take air and retain it, that is called Kumbhaka, and then apply Uddiyana Bandha. When you apply Uddiyana Bandha, it will exert force in the navel area, and it will be convenient for prana apana to unite in the navel area. Then only the Kundalini energy, the astral energy, will pass from Mooladhara to Sahasrara. So, next we have to send the prana to the moon area. Moon area means the right side brain. That is, when the Kundalini rises, it rises with all heat up to this Visuddha Chakra. After Visuddha Chakra, the Kundalini becomes cool and it passes from left brain to right brain. When it reaches the right brain, just like moonlight, the right brain will start working. That is, moonlight is famous for light and coolness. The sun is giving light and heat, but the moon is giving light and coolness. So, one's brain will be having a sattvic quality. He will attain Suddha Sattva, and he is thinking he will shed out all Rajasic quality, and he will maintain Sattva quality, and his brain will work calm and steady. This he says in verses 817. Prana within, if made to rise through Susumna cavity, to blossom lotus at cranial heights, then open the moon's mystic region, and there may you for live long. So if you achieve this, one can live for long time, because this coolness will increase longevity. If body heat is more, aging will come soon. So when it cools down, the aging process will be reversed. And then one should do Kumbhaka, Uddiyana Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha and press air in the Nabhi Chakra, that is Visuddha. In this, he says, after Kumbhaka, taking in air, one should apply all the three bandhas, Mooladhara Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha. This is a very risky process. When you force this air with all the three bandhas, for some persons, the Kundalini may rise all of a sudden. So, this should be done before a Guru. He will supervise the reactions of the persons. This is normally said in Hada Yoga for quick realization, and in Kesari Yoga also Tirumula says the three bandhas to apply. And he says in verse 821, holds prana upward and retain breath through Kumbhaka in the mystic region of fire and sun, around the navel and throat, and there be fixed in thought what should there be there, how possible to say. When you apply these bandhas, normally these prana and apana meet in the navel area. But in this hymn, Tirumula says the prana and apana will meet in the Visuddha Chakra also. This is a new information I come across. This is told in this Kesari Yoga. Then light the Nada through Kundalini. In this another verse 824 he says that one should light the Kundalini by using Mooladhara fire. The Mooladhara is famous for its these ojas, that is the summons are the fuel for meditation. So with this fire one should light the Nada present in the head, and the Nada will emit light which is a form of Bindu. That is achieved in the Kesari Yoga. He says like this: 12 finger measure below the navel, the light bright as day. They thus say the Vedas. If with that light Nada lamps also is light above is lighted, you become the master of the mansion that rises within you. If you light this, when the Kundalini fire is taken to head, and when it fires up, the yoga culminates. The culmination of yoga comes when the light in the head is coming. That is the Nada and Bindu surround the head. The yogi becomes full. When he reaches this stage, he enjoys some benefits. Let us see what are they. In verse 802 he says the nectar will be released. That is Jnana Ganga, or the nectar. That is identified the melatonin will secrete, and the secretion will be caught by the tip of the tongue at the upper palate. If skillfully rubbed by the tongue tip, the mystic nectar will begin to ooze. When it comes with the care, manage it, that may swim in moon's region mystic, and that which flowed and rode may preserved be. So he says that when the secretion comes, we should not waste that, and we should get it at the tip of the tongue. When you get it at the tip of the tongue, it will enter through all nadis throughout the body. Otherwise, if you miss to catch it at the tip of the tongue, it will be burned out and it will go waste. So, if the Kesari yogi gets vision of Lords and he lives long, that it is emphasized in clearly explained in verse 803. The English translation is: fan tongue's tip upward in palate center. There abides Jiva and Shiva, the gods 3, and Devas 3 and 30 crores will appear. No death there shall there be. A million billion years this fleshly body will be. So he says 2 points in it. When he visualizes the 3 gods, Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, as well as 33 crores, that is Devas, and he will live long. This body will not decompose. The Kesari yogi's body will not decompose. In the same way, it leads to youth also. A yogi will be young for a long time. That is, the aging process will be reversed. That is also gained in this Kesari Yoga. Verse 804 says, if you can send the breath twain into mouth's upper cavity, you shall then know death none, and the gates of nectar will open be. Graying and wrinkling will disappear. For all to see, young will the yogi be. True as this I say in the name of Nandi Holy. He says, he swears by Shiva, that is Nandi. That is he, the Kesari yogi will be young, and the wrinkling on the face will go away, and he will have an what we call the young appearance. That comes, the young appearance comes when through this yoga, because when you achieve this yoga, perfection in yoga, the Vata, Pitta and Kapha, they become normal in a routine course, as well as the Sabda Dhadus work in a normal condition. Because the aging comes because of abnormal and irregular working of this Vata, Pitta, Kapha and Sabda Dhadus. When you do this practice, they become normal, and the youthfulness will continue for more time. Then, for the Shiva will enshrine on the Kesari yogi's head and body. He says in 8:13, he sat like a moon beaming Kalai 16. In his mansion, that is body, art Kala, wells like wells 224, and within that divine mansion, shedding rays, he sat in accord with him. That is, Shiva enshrines in the body of this Kesari yogi. Tirumular says in different places, that is, the yogi's bodies will become the temple of Lord Shiva. The Lord Shiva, who enshrines in all the atoms, he will enshrine in the body of yogi, and with the radiance he will be there in the yogi. In the same way, Kesari yogi will have distant vision of all worlds. The yogis, when they achieve perfection, they identify themselves with the cosmos. Then they will be able to see what are present in the cosmos, the cosmic bodies, the celestial bodies, earth, everything they will see. More Manikya Vasagar saying, he has seen in his meditation, and he has written in Andapagudi in Tiruvasagam. In the same way, Kesari yogi will also get the vision as like that. He explains it in verse 823. The English translation is, that distant vision I shall here describe, having attained grace of Shakti of collyrium eyes. If thought is centered on the divine light, that is Lord, then you may have visions worlds all as in the daylight bright. That is, when you meditate Lord Shiva as a light for a long time in Kesari Yoga, you will get vision of all the worlds. Such a way, Kesari Yoga, so when if anybody wants to learn Kesari Yoga, they can contact me at mystictirumoola@gmail.com. mystictirumoola@gmail.com. If anybody comes to my ashram, you can learn. Otherwise, I am also going all around for teaching and propagating these yogas. You can see my activities, my ashram in www.tirumoola.in. Thank you.